Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi. So it looks like BTC is reaching 32k, and what can we expect from this level? A bounce down, or we're gonna break above the Fibonacci level created as a high low for a continuation up to 36k. Now this is amazing. Of course, we want to go down to the lower time frames and see what could potentially happen for us to be able to find a great entry. Another thing that I want to talk about is Nasdaq, because on my live streams I also go in sometimes and I scalp the market on Nasdaq, and we are also giving a pullback right now, and I do have some levels for the market to drop down to for a potential continuation to 15k. So continue to look at this video and I'll show you the most important levels on the lower time frames before we are reaching 32 on BTC and 15k on Nasdaq. For you to trade both of these pairs, Prosperity FX is a great broker for you to be able to do that. So a lot of you guys are already trading cryptocurrencies, but you can also add Nasdaq when you see the market on BTC be a little bit slow, or if you want to trade Forex or oil or gold, whatever. So this platform has a very low spread when you're trading on it, which is really good. And I've been trading with this one since 2020. I love it. Never had any troubles when it comes to this platform. And it's good for anyone that obviously want to trade more assets than just cryptocurrencies. Sometimes crypto can be a little bit stagnant, going sideways for a very long time, and that's why it's good to go in and look at some other pairs, because we all want to make some money, right? I'm no financial advisor, guys. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time or when I do have my daily updates. But when we are continuing to look at BTC is the first one that I want to look at. On today's live stream, we actually had a break from the resistance trend line. And you know, when I update you guys on my Twitter channel in here, and when I give you some of the ideas in the morning, remember when I'm going in for the live streams, this is when I'm able to share more thoughts with you of what's happening on the charts, obviously, because there's so many movements that's happening. So make sure to follow me on my Twitter account. You have the link in the description down below the video, also pinned up here in the corner. But when I give you these updates, remember it is on these videos or on the live streams that I will obviously break it down even more. And on today's live stream, what happened was that we saw a breakout and retest of this trend line. I did expect the market to drop down a little bit low. I did adjust the trend line a little bit, and when I did that, we saw the retest for that continuation up. After that, we did have a pullback. So let us just take Fib from high to low, and you can once again see how perfectly the market closed at the 50% Fibonacci level. The overall target for BTC right now is 31,840. I strongly believe that we can have a push up to this level. Remember that when we have that, most likely you'll see the market give you a drop. How far? We do not know that yet, because we need to have more data, of course, for us to be able to use different levels. But the overall target that I definitely can see us pushing up to is 36k. Just going to USDT a little bit quickly, this was something that we also spoke about today. I did expect the market to drop down to this level down at 7.30%, and this is exactly what we're doing now. What can happen when we are reaching this previous support zone is, of course, that we see the market giving us a pullback to the upside, which means that BTC will give us a pullback to the downside. And just combining these two charts together, you can see that it's most likely, if the market drops down to around 7.20 on USDT, then BTC will push up to 31,820 and then give us the pullback to the downside. So this is something that is really important for us to have in mind. As you guys already know, I'm using Fibonacci with everything. And if you do not know how to use Fibonacci, make sure to first of all subscribe to my channel, hit the notification. But going to the first page of my YouTube, you can see that I have this video Fibonacci retracement explained in under 10 minutes. I really love Fibonacci. Is providing you with the reversal zones. So when you master Fibonacci, you will master the chart. I promise you. As long as you go and back test this yourself, so you can actually see how good this is. So you have the video up here for you to be able to watch it. Make sure to continue to watch this video too. Going to NASDAQ right now on the lower time frames, we can see that the market gave us a break below a previous support around 14,500. What also happened was that we saw this big continuation up. So the Fibonacci levels that I'm looking for the market to potentially drop down to now when it comes to NASDAQ is 14,650. 14,603, and the first target for us to reach at that point is 14,885 and 15,000. And the reason for this, because the market is still creating lower lows, lower highs. So on the higher time frames perspective, we are looking at a previous high. I think I was looking at the daily. So we have the previous high with the low, and whatever the market is gonna do against this level, we do not know. The only thing that most likely gonna happen is that the market will push up to them. Will we see the market break it and have a fake out and continue down? Can definitely happen. A break above, retest 14,885 can definitely happen. We need to look at the market when we are coming to that level. So that's why you should subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I'm live next time and when I do have my daily updates, so we can always update ourselves when it comes to the different pairs that we're looking at. Also make sure to look at this Fibonacci, that way, Fibonacci video, so you're able to master Fibonacci and master your entry points. Have a fantastic day. We see each other tomorrow. Toodles!